Meet Aaniiih, an alumni from Aaniiih Nakoda College's nationally accredited nursing program. She attended ANC's Grow Our Own Nursing Program, an initiative that incorporates Native perspectives on health and wellness and emphasizes culturally safe care. This program focuses on providing whole person care. It is amazing. Aaniiih, please take it away.
Ginahan Alex, Ninana Aaniiih Niton Dadabi. Ever since I was a little girl, I knew I wanted to take care of others. I just wasn't sure at what capacity. I thought at first maybe I wanted to be a doctor, but nursing fell into my lap and aligned more with what I wanted to do, which is direct patient care. I enrolled at ANC for a health science certificate, and in my second semester, their Grow Our Own nursing program was accepting applications. So I applied and thankfully was accepted. The Grow Our Own nursing program is dedicated to empowering students to attain their nursing license and provide holistic care while maintaining and upholding the cultural lifeways. It's meant to help our people become nurses so we can then provide care to our people. Here we're not only receiving a great education, but also getting hands-on experiences with real technology. From the on-site clinicals around the state to the sim labs right here on campus, I learned so much that helped me prepare for my future. My professors and fellow classmates offered support every step of the way. During lectures, we collaborated with each other and all had different points of views, which allowed us to become well-rounded nurses. The Grow Our Own nursing program takes 2 years, and once completed, students are awarded an associate's degree in nursing. I've now been a practicing nurse in Montana for 2 years. I'm proud of the foundation that Aaniiih Nakoda College provided me. There's so much difficulty accessing medical care in rural communities. Through the creation of the Grow Our Own nursing program, ANC is increasing the diversity of nursing and improving the health outcomes of everyone on and off the reservation. Ginahan Alex for letting me share my story.
Thank you, Aaniiih. It is clear that ANC's nursing program has equipped you with the skills and knowledge needed to make a significant impact in your community. Through your efforts and those of your fellow nursing graduates, you are helping to create a healthier community here at Fort Belknap and beyond. We are all wishing you the best of luck in your career.